Hi team, welcome to Cloud with Shataj. My name is Shataj Roy and I'm back once again. Uh, the video, the topic of the video today is how to create a shared mailbox via PowerShell, and we'll just create a shared mailbox via PowerShell and assign the delegation permissions to it. Please ignore the background noise if you have if you hear anything. So let's get started. So the first step is if you are using PowerShell, you need to be an administrator. You need to open the PowerShell as an admin. So let's open that. Okay. So let me search for PowerShell here. PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, this one. Run it as an administrator. Just click here, hit yes here. It will open the PowerShell in the admin mode. Now, first of all, you need to install a module that is known as Exchange Online Management. Install module, one moment. Name should be Exchange uh, Online Management. Once you install this module, we would be able to connect to the Exchange Online services and we can proceed further with that. So let's wait for this. Let it first of all install. Just click Y. That means yes for everything. Uh, so let's wait for it to install and then we can proceed further. Just bear with it. Just give it a moment. Let it install. Once it is done, we can proceed further while by creating by connecting our Exchange Online module account uh, with the Exchange Online. To do that, just click A. That means yes to all. Don't deny any repository, otherwise it may have issues while installing the Exchange Online Management. Once this is installed, we need to import it. Okay, so just bear with it. Just give it a moment. Let it. Okay, it's already installed now. Let's click on import module. Just give it a name that says Exchange Online Management. It will give you this particular error. That basically means your execution policy is not unrestricted. So you just need to run set execution policy. We can just give the scope to unrestricted, and scope should be current user actually, because I'm just using one session of PowerShell and it should be unrestricted. Okay. Okay, so I guess yep, I have spelled it wrong. One moment. Unrestricted. Just click A. That means yes to all. Now let's run that command. Import module Exchange Online Management. So just bear with it. It's imported now. Now we need to type connect Exchange Online here. Once we are able to do that, we can proceed further with, connecting to the Exchange Online module. You would be getting a pop-up where you need to go with your admin account. So in this scenario, I'm using info at cloudwithshatich.com because this is account which is having a license. It's not a problem if it is not an admin account, we can still use it. But yeah, we require admin access for the PowerShell. So just bear with it, let it, okay, so it's connected. Now we're gonna create a shared mailbox first of all. So I have opened a notepad here. I will share this notepad with you guys so that you can proceed further with that. Step by step, we have installed the module here. Now we need to use this thing. We have already added the account. So now the step three is create a shared mailbox. Just type this thing. For example, new mailbox shared is a attribute. That means the mailbox type should be shared, not a user thing. Name would be support mailbox. Display name would be support mailbox. That basically means the mail or the name of that shared mailbox would be support mailbox, and the alias should be support, or that doesn't matter actually. So just let me give this thing and let me hit on enter here. So it will just take a bit of time. Once it is done, your shared mailbox will be created here. Now you can see we have a database here. A support mailbox has been created. Okay. Now we're gonna what we're gonna do? We're gonna actually add the delegation permissions. Okay. So we'll assign a full access permissions that will be basically using, for example, I want to access that mailbox. I can have the full access on it, but remember, I cannot send or receive emails if I only have the full access permissions of that particular shared mailbox. So let's proceed further with this. I will just give this one. Identity is support mailbox. Here we have to type the username. Basically, I'll be using info's account, so just bear with me. Sorry for this. One moment. Okay, we need to at least, add it in the notepad only. Just give me one moment. So I'll be using info at cloudwithshatich.com here so that, we can proceed further. One moment. Info at cloudwithshatich.com. We'll be using this particular account. Just bear with it. Auto mapping true basically means it will automatically be mapped with my Outlook, so I don't have to add it manually. So now, okay. So access rights, what access rights should be given here? For example, we can just, give it a send as permission or maybe just full access. We were talking about the full access, so I would be giving it as full access. Okay. I think so that would work, yeah. And I can also give it a send as permissions and send on behalf permissions if I want. I just got an error that basically means access rights cannot convert the value or this and that. Okay, just bear with me. Just give me a moment. I'm just getting an error here. Let me just remove this access right propagation here. Just give me one moment. Okay, so now it's asking me once again what exactly I have to give. I will just give it full access. Okay, so now the auto mapping is not recognized, but the access has been given. That is the full access. So auto mapping is not working. I guess it's deprecated because the script is old. So we'll just remove this auto mapping and we'll enable it once again. Okay, so I don't have to do this once again because I automatically, have the access right. That is full access. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna verify the mailbox here. So I would write here get mailbox. Identity should be the name of the mailbox. Like for example, support mailbox. Uh, I'm also showing you guys the error that what usually people get, and they get afraid of what exactly has to be done here. So please follow the same steps. You would be good to go. So yeah, it's showing here now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my uh, browser. I'm gonna log into my account. Just give me one moment. Just go to office.com here to just check whether we have the access or not. I'll just use my info at cloud with Kshitij domain to verify. Okay, so I'm here in. So let me just go to the Outlook here so that I can check whether I can add that account or not. So let's check it. Until then, also let me go to the one moment. Let me go to the admin also to verify if the mailbox is existing or not. Just give me one moment. Allow me a moment. I'm just checking it. Once we have that, we would be good to go. Just give me one moment here. Okay, we are going in. So let's see. Let me expand this tab so that you guys can also see this thing. And let me go to the shared mailboxes here. One moment. Okay, so we have shared support mailbox which we created. It's visible here. Support at cloudwithkshitij.com. So I'm gonna add this to my Outlook. Let me see if it's giving me the option. Add a shared folder or mailbox here. Let me just click continue. After doing that, once it is done, we would be good to go. Yeah, the mailbox is added here. Okay, so now let me just check it. One moment. Here we go. The support mailbox is added here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna send a test email from my account to support mailbox just for the verification thing. Give it a test and let's see what exactly will happen here. Just bear with it, just give it a moment. If it lands, it's well and good. If not, then we will be checking the delegation permission licenses. Let me check the sent items. If it has gone to the support mailbox, yes, it is showing me that it has been delivered to the support mailbox. Here we go. So this is came from the information that is info at cloudwithkshitij.com and this is support mailbox. So that's all. I would share this notepad script with you guys in the chat box or maybe in the YouTube comments, and you can proceed further with that. So that's all with the PowerShell script. I have also shown you the error, what exactly you guys get. So this auto mapping thing, I think so it's there, but it's not working in this PowerShell version. So I need to check further on this. But yeah, if you are getting these type of errors, just proceed with the GUI, that is the graphical user interface section, by going to the Outlook and adding the mailbox. So that's all for today. Thank you for visiting my channel, and please like, share, subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.